Check out this icon, huh? Straight from Harbor Freight. It's actually a pretty nice box. It's like a knockoff Snap-on, but it's actually a pretty decent knockoff. Anyway, we're working on this excavator today. Got the track off, changing a roller. For the top of the head, keeps the top of the track up so it's not rubbing on the undercarriage. Here it is. There's a new one. You know, it's got a snap ring in the end of it, sealed and everything. Yep, not good. So we're doing that, and we're changing our final drive oil. Rolled 1,000 hours. I got the email from Bobcat saying that it needed to be changed for the 1,000-hour period. So we're getting after it. I'll show you how dirty it was when I do that one next. After I get this track back on. It's gonna be nice. But in the meantime, Buddy Dan's out here mulching. He's freaking.
Alright, take the camera and go somewhere else, will you?
I mean, look at, he just effed the whole thing up. Oh my goodness, you can hear it. It's clogged. It's gotta be clogged. It's clogged. It's clogged. Right here. I'm telling you. It's clogged right there. Something doesn't sound right.
Clogged somewhere.
Yeah, we're just dumping material and it's not going anywhere. It's clogged. Look, you can see the hose blowing up. Shut her down.
Now you open that up. There's nothing in there.
Well, it's right fucking here.
Nothing here.
Somewhere it's clogged. Big time. It's pissing out. Oh, you found it? Why couldn't you say something?
That air was pushing it. That was holding on it. It wasn't heavy at all.
What the? Are you kidding me? This is not leaving.
We just put in there for a minute.
It's not going to come back.
Alright, well, you can put both these back then when you go in there.
Christ.
You weren't going to walk in.
You guys fucking taking. He's got the Vipers on.
Come on, hurry up.
Come on, we got other houses. What, across the street?
Yeah.
Hey, quit pointing that thing at me. Here we go. Thinks I'm a blowout. Hold the damn thing. Don't you go to the gym?
What the fuck, man?
Oh, you really done it now. Why aren't you using the orange hose? Why aren't you using the orange hose?
Because he didn't grab the orange one.
What do you mean? It was on the reel.
What?
It was on the reel. Typical, right in the spot. The orange hose just doesn't have to, because it's got full flow fitting. I think there's a potato in here.
I'm the only one without a camera out right now. Wait, what the frick, man?
I'm doing both. Wow! Look out! Holy frick. Well, don't worry, boys. I took care of that. No big deal. Back to my project. Now they stole half my tools. And I got covered in mulch. But I just cleaned myself because I wanted to put some gloves on. Alright, I got the... There, you can't see it. Maybe if I flip it. Yeah, I don't know. I got it in there. All right, Randy, we're up. Huh? We gotta put her back on.
You missed the best part on cam?
All right, we gotta go up a little bit.
Very questionable. I'm out.
Let me tell you, this grease gun sounds like shit. But it's been running for like 4 years straight. See that right there? If the grease doesn't come shooting out of the tensioner, then you're doing it wrong. I mean, I don't know if that's true, I just made that up, but it seems to happen every time. Okay, now we're gonna get the caps off this thing and flush it out. So I already did the other side, and I was trying to figure out why I had 3 caps. I'm like, oh, maybe just for a convenience thing, you could drain it from here or there. But it didn't really make any sense. And like, you fill it here, drain it here or here. But what I did on the other one, I took the bottom and the middle off. And I said, oh, I'll just drain it and then I'll just fill it up. This is actually more of just like a sight glass, it seems like. Drain, sight glass, fill. I tried to put oil in there, it just didn't go in there very well. First thing I would do is crack these things loose. This machine just rolled 1,000 hours. I got an email from Bobcat saying it's time for your 1,000-hour service kit, which is hydraulic filters and gear oil for the final drives. I said, all right, I'm just gonna do the final drives because I do the hydraulic annually. Ready for this? See how black this oil is. Oh, that's pretty dark. I'm gonna get a light. I got this light from Harbor Freight, and then, you know, Countryside there called me a no-name channel because he saw it and liked it, but didn't know who got it first. So I'm just a no-name channel to him, and he knows it. Every time I pick this light up, I think of him. Call me a no-name. Pop them all out. Let it drain. All right, I'm going to pop this middle cap back in temporarily. Just, I'm going to try to flush it out with some fresh oil. And if I left it open, it would all just flow back out. So, put the gear oil in. Nice clean oil coming out now. I let that clean oil come out a little bit. Clean enough. I try to do that with engine oil too. If I'm changing oil. With the drain plug still open, just dump a little bit of fresh oil in there just to get the rest of the flow. Just to make sure I get all the old oil out. Just dump a little bit in there. I think I might have overfilled it, but I'm going to just let it keep draining out the center hole here. If you guys could smell this right now, oh my God. Gear oil is the worst. It smells. If you get a little bit on your clothes, forget it, man. You're done. You are done. Look at that. It's so freaking black. Okay, so let me get this camera adjusted. While I was out here doing this little service, I guess, took these covers off, got all this dirt out of it. I've seen some pictures and videos of behind these things. A ton of mud and dirt gets in there. You know, you drive through mud, it just squeezes through the holes. You get a bunch of dirt and stuff behind there, and there's a couple hydraulic hoses from 90s and fittings and stuff, and those eventually rust out, and then it's a whole process. So I was trying to be proactive, cleaning it out. It actually didn't look too bad. It was probably only, I don't know, third of the way full, maybe half, probably under halfway full, but just a little peace of mind. So this thing's all done now. For today, just rolled 1,000 hours. So I changed the gear oil, clean out the tracks. I did the change that roller out, greased it up, and ready to hit it for another week. All right, shop's all clean. Got the floor swept, squeegeed. Well, I gotta do some more squeegeeing, but rinse down, a little squeegeeing, clean the drains out because they were plugged. It's the weekend, y'all. So, remember, if you like this video, I don't even know what part of this video we even had together. Probably just smashed a couple things together. But if you liked it, and you want to stick around, remember to subscribe, like the video, comment down below. That lets me know you like the content that I'm putting out. And as always, we will see you in the next one.